Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Streamlabs donation alerts using StreamElements, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Streamlabs donation alerts using StreamElements, start by opening your web browser. Go to the StreamElements website and log in with your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard on the left side of the screen. In the dashboard, click on Overlay Manager. Click the Create New Overlay button. Choose the resolution that fits your streaming needs, then click Start. In the Overlay Editor, you will see various options on the left side. Click on Widgets to expand the widget options. Select Alert Box from the list of available widgets. In the Alert Box settings, you'll find options to customize your donation alerts. Adjust the settings for alerts according to your preference. You can change the alert type to suit donation alerts specifically. After customizing, click the Save button at the top right corner. You'll see a unique overlay URL generated for your new overlay. Copy this URL to your clipboard. Next, open your streaming software, such as OBS or Streamlabs OBS. In your streaming software, create a new browser source. Paste the overlay URL you copied earlier into the URL field. Adjust the width and height according to your stream's layout. Click OK to confirm the changes and close the settings window. Now, return to the StreamElements dashboard. Navigate to the Donation section under the Monetization tab. Here, you can set up your donation methods if you haven't done so. Make sure to link your payment method to receive donations. Once you have everything set, test your donation alert. Make a small test donation to ensure alerts are working properly. Check your streaming software to see if the alert appears correctly. Adjust any overlay positions if needed for optimal visibility. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Streamlabs donation alerts using StreamElements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.